Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking all about anti-aging. So I'm going to be answering a few questions relating to anti-aging. That is, what is anti-aging? Which are the best anti-aging products? When should you start using anti-aging products? What is the correct way of using them? And why you should be using anti-aging products? So starting off with the first question, that is, what is anti-aging? Well, anti-aging is basically reversing the aging process of your skin. So as in when your skin ages, as in when you become older, your skin also becomes older, and that leads to formation of signs of aging on your skin, which are fine lines, wrinkles, freckles, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, rough skin, dull skin, and so much more. And this usually happens because when you become older, the production of collagen in your skin reduces. Now, collagen is extremely important to repair your skin. So any kind of skin damage that happens because of environmental factors, like maybe the pollution, or because of sun damage, like when you walk out in the sun without wearing any sun protection, or because of lifestyle factors like unhealthy diet, a lot of stress, or because of any other reasons, all of the damage that happens to your skin can be repaired with the help of collagen. But when you become older, the level of collagen, the production of collagen in your body reduces. So when you apply anti-aging products on your skin, it results in the production of collagen in your skin, and that helps to repair all of these signs of aging on your skin, and that helps you in looking younger, that helps your skin in looking younger for a longer period of time. Now moving on to the second question, that is, which is the best anti-aging product? Well, there are so many products in the market these days which claim to be anti-aging, so it's really difficult to select which one is the best out of them, because certain products work for certain skin types and they do not work for some other skin types. So it really depends. You kind of have to try and test out products. So according to me, the best anti-aging product would be one that contains ingredients which are clinically formulated. So you can go for active ingredients like retinol. Retinol, I believe, is the best anti-aging ingredient ever. It works the fastest and it works the best, and the best part is that it actually works for everybody. So no matter what skin type you have, no matter if it's dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, acne prone skin, retinol is still gonna work for you. And yes, it does work on acne prone skin as well. So retinol is my number one anti-aging ingredient. Now moving on to the third question, that is, when should you start using anti-aging products? Well, I do not recommend using them if you're any younger than 18 years of age, but if you're 18 and above, then you can start incorporating retinol or other anti-aging products in your skincare regime. But according to me, the ideal age to begin with anti-aging products would be 25 and above, because that's when the signs of aging actually start to appear on your skin. So you can start applying retinol products before that as well, but 25 is like the ideal age. Next up, moving on to the fourth question, that is, how to use anti-aging products. So I have this retinol serum with me by Mamaearth. This is their retinol face serum, and this contains retinol and bakuchi. So this serum contains the goodness of both, that is science and nature. It contains retinol, which is an active ingredient which works fastest in anti-aging, and it contains bakuchi, which is the most powerful natural source of retinol from the nature, and this is free from harmful toxins like parabens and silicone. So how you're supposed to use retinol based products is that you're directly supposed to apply it on a clean face. So before I started filming this video, I washed my face and I used this Mamaearth retinol face wash, and now I'm just taking a little bit of the serum on my hand, dotting it all over my face, and then massaging it into my skin. You can also apply it under your eyes, because that's where most of the fine lines and wrinkles are. And the serum is extremely lightweight, so it gets absorbed into your skin in absolutely no time, and it's got a very non-greasy and a very lightweight formulation. So that is how easy it is to use a retinol serum, and you can wait for about 10 to 15 minutes and then top your skin off with your favorite moisturizer. Now make sure that you use a retinol based product only during the night time, and every single time that you step out in the sun during the daytime, make sure that you wear some SPF, because this can make your skin a little sensitive to the sun and you want to avoid sun damage. So make sure that you wear SPF every single day. So by using a combination of a retinol face wash and a retinol serum, you can renew your skin. That is, you can renew your skin tone and your skin texture. These products are going to act as anti-aging products. They're going to help to reduce the visible and early signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. It's also going to help you with hyperpigmentation. It's going to make the texture of your skin very smooth and young looking. It's also going to result in a glow on your skin, since it's going to clear out your skin and just make it more younger looking. So I highly recommend you start using anti-aging products, especially retinol based products, when you cross the age of 25, because age is just a number. No matter what age you are at, your skin should never be telling your age. Your skin can always keep looking younger if you take good care of it by introducing retinol based products in your skincare regime. I've been using retinol based products for over 6 months in my skincare regime. I'm 26 years of age. I'm soon gonna turn 27 like next month itself. So I started with my anti-aging routine ever since the age of 26, and my skin has been thanking me ever since I've been using these products. And let me just give you a close-up of my skin. It's bare. I only have the retinol serum on my skin, and if you see under my eyes, I don't really have wrinkles and fine lines as such. All the imperfection that I have on my skin are acne marks, because my skin is extremely acne prone and I keep getting acne all the time. But you can't really see for any signs of aging on my skin, like near my eyes or near my lips or anywhere on my skin, and that's only because I started off with an anti-aging routine at a very early age. So I do recommend you start using anti-aging products, especially retinol based products, in your skincare regime, and do not wait until you see the signs of aging on your skin. Start using these products to delay the signs of aging, to make sure they do not appear at all on your skin. Also, one detail that I forgot to give you guys is that when you're using retinol based products, make sure you do not pair them up with AHA based products like glycolic acid, mandelic acid, lactic acid, etc. Also, you should not be using niacinamide and vitamin C along with retinol based products. So you can use one of these actives maybe in the daytime and one during the night time, or you can use them on separate days, but make sure you do not include them like at the same time in the same skincare regime. Also, in case if you're interested in purchasing this retinol face wash by Mamaearth or this retinol face serum, then you can use my coupon code, that is RIA2021, to save 20% off if you shop from Mamaearth's website. And apart from that, you can also find these products on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. Also, every single time that you place an order on Mamaearth's website, they will link your order to a tree that they planned. Mamaearth has this ongoing initiative where they plan on planting more than 1 million trees by the end of 2025. So they are a very environment friendly brand, and they also recycle a lot of plastic. They recycle more than 120 metric tons of plastic every single month. 1 metric ton is 1000 kgs, so you can calculate the amount of plastic that they recycle. I know I mentioned this in every single video, but they are such an environment friendly brand that I really want to bring awareness about this to each one of you out there. So yes, that was my video for today. If you enjoyed watching it and if you found this informative, then please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and let me know in the comment section if you use retinol based products and how they work out for you. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today. I shall see you in my next video.